Hi, it's Zena, and today I want to give you my honest review and show you how I use this Hoover Pet carpet cleaner vacuuming machine. I love that it's so lightweight and super easy to use. You grab the water tank, open it, and fill it with tap water. There's a line on top that will show you to where the water goes and then how much detergent to add in. I personally like using a natural solution, but you can really use anything, even from the Hoover brand itself. Then you simply pop it back into place and your water is ready for cleaning. Obviously, this is a pet cleaner vacuum. I was really looking for something that will take urine stains out of the carpet. My dog likes to pee on the carpet sometimes. I tried one of those portable spot cleaners, but it would pick up everything from the carpet, get cloggy, it was leaking, it was messy. I love that this vacuum, I don't have to touch it. So you spray and you move it back and forth, and then when it goes back and forth, it also has a drying mechanism. So not only you can see it's absorbing all the dirt, yellow dog urine from the carpet right now, but as you go over it again and again, it starts to dry it. So it actually does not leave a wet carpet. It dries really, really quickly. Additionally, I also use it to wash my stairs. My stairs have carpet. We come in and out from outdoors, so it has those stains. This really takes everything out, and you can see the water really pulling in from the carpet. Now that I'm done vacuuming, let me show you how you open the dirty water to spill it out. So you just hold and press like so and pull it out. And look at all that water, how dirty it is. It really cleaned it up very, very nicely. It's time to spill it. I really, really love how easy this carpet cleaner is to use, how easy it is to clean, how easy it is to store. I had a big old clunky one that would break every time if I would use it, and the carpet wasn't 100% vacuumed before. This one does not do that. This one literally does its job, cleans so well, and is easy to use and store. Lightweight, awesome. I highly recommend it.